was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on it.
Gang, I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce, baby, and getting bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chills. All because of how I kept it real. Like sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, yeah, baby. Ooh, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for les Paris, yeah. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think you should reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I'm flying. Going out to Keiko, she can stay in my room, she can stay in my room, and it ain't mine.
What's up? Yep, eating me a good salad with a lot of cheese and stuff in it. It is. What's up, y'all? So I'm back finally. It's been like 2 weeks since your girl posted a video, but I'm about to make some tacos, and we're gonna make some pico de gallo from scratch. Just something real simple, but I'ma film it. And I got some stuff in for my boutique that I'm gonna try on a little later, not today, but once I go get my area waxed and stuff. I'm gonna do a little try on haul for y'all, and y'all can see how the titties looking and all that good stuff. I'm gonna give y'all an update too. So yeah, what's up? So that's what we finna do. Today is Thursday. It's the 7th. So yeah, we eating tacos on a Thursday or whatever. So he just went to go get some stuff from the grocery store. He did. And my motherfucking battery about to die. So I'm finna go put this camera on charger so I can charge it up a little bit. But I am gonna go ahead and start grinding the ground beef. Hopefully I can be able to show y'all. If not, I'm gonna show y'all on my camera. On my phone, I mean. Be back. So now this is tomatoes, onions, jalapeno pepper, a fresh jalapeno pepper, and what's the other stuff called? Cilantro. Cilantro. It's up there. So now he's gonna mix all this stuff up with a lime. I'll put some lime in it and some sea salt.
Tell me when.
I don't know, you should put a little bit. I think that's good.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, please. Wanna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that?
Jalapeno
So now
peppers
we got the meat and cheese and the tortillas, and we're about to put it in the oven.
and sea salt.
Jump
Hey,
it.
buddy. Hey, look.
Hi, Sabian. You not Sabian? We did put a little pico in it, but we still gonna save some to be fresh when we take it out. And now I'm about to put them in the oven. Y'all get the picture. I be trying to make it perfect, but y'all get the picture. I seen a recipe where the lady fried it. Look, you gonna stay closed, okay?
Don't look crazy with me. What's up? You looking all bad and shit?
All right, they're in the oven now. I have to let them
I have to work. My boss
brown just a little bit. 350.
was literally...
Hopefully I got some good footage of these fucking tacos, because the first clip I just looked at wasn't right. So if I didn't get no good footage of these tacos, then y'all ain't gonna see it. So maybe I should have fried them. I still think they're gonna be good, but I don't feel like frying them because I don't have a griddle. But yeah, that's what they look like. I'll let y'all know how they taste. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I haven't seen it in...
That's what they're looking like, y'all. It actually looked pretty good, even though I didn't fry it like the lady. Yep, I'm gonna add some more pico though. We made that. Well, y'all already know that. But yeah, I'm gonna add some more pico and some French and some salsa.
Bitch out and these hoes is flocking. I caught the big, now these hoes is mocking. Look like an IG model, walk with a wall, body shaped like a Coke bottle. Put stay on food.
Hello people. So today we about to go eat Mexican. But we're here, we're about to eat Mexican. It's at Guadalajara in Columbus, and it's my favorite Mexican place to eat. I ain't got my sunglasses on today, but yeah, it's my favorite Mexican place. So hey y'all, and Friday I'll be 1 month post-op. Go me or whatever. Thank you. This is the menu, and it's a Guadalajara in Memphis, and that one's my favorite too. Bring the chips in. I already know that I want. That's what I'm gonna get. Number 61.
Una R de pollo no frijoles. Y 53. No, está bien, no lo había visto.
How you doing? Cheese dip. No.
Okay, so I was rounding up a little bit outside, so I think I'm gonna cut that part because the sun's in my eyes. I got my shades on today. But today is, what's today? Wednesday?
The 13th.
Okay, yeah, Wednesday the 13th. So the 15th is Friday, and I will be 1 month post-op. Go me. And I'm wearing my little band. So I've been doing right. I'm wearing my little band or whatever. But I'm gonna show y'all my food when it come out, because I've been forgetting to show y'all my food sometimes. So I'll be back. So these are the El Pastor tacos. Yeah. So good. So good. He got the same thing. Cheese to mine. You want a little bit?
I know you like cheese, so.
Just so you know, I probably ain't gonna eat it like a different way.
What's that?
You probably won't gonna eat that much no way, so I don't want it to go to waste. So now,
Even more reason, you know who that is.
looking at food or whatever. Or whatever. Amen.
It's better than last time. But I think he didn't like it last time.
Yeah, I can't remember what it was. So it's good. Yeah, in Columbus, it's the best place to come to domestic food by me. So we leaving Publix, right? We just left Walmart. Y'all, a small roast is running like $24, $25. So we finna go to one more store, because I just need to know, is it just we just at Walmart? Yeah, Walmart and Publix. So next we're gonna go to Piggly Wiggly. If you work at a grocery store, or you can tell me why these roasts real high and this video makes it to you, comment below and let me know, why is the roast so high? Because we usually pay $12 and $13. Now you talking about double? We don't got no food stamps. If you got food stamps, you want to sell them, comment below. Oh my God. Yeah, I seen a video on Instagram. The roast looks so good. Instantly made my stomach grab. But we're gonna go to one more store and see if I can find this pot roast, because I want a pot roast.
Yeah, she does.
Let me know why these roasting went up like this. Is it because all them cows they found dead in Kansas City? Is that why? I don't know.
Piggly Wiggly.
Let me know. Okay, y'all, we at Piggly Wiggly. We at the Wiggly, the wig, the pig with the wig. And I'm going here and see if they got this roast. I'm gonna show y'all how high they are. Hopefully they ain't high, because I'd be sad if they are. But be right back. We in the pig.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you,
What's up, y'all? So we about to get ready and go out. So if you're new here, my name is LaTanya and I'm new at this vlog thing. So if you would be so great and so kind to go ahead, like, subscribe, and share with a friend or something. But anyway, yeah, we finna get ready and go out tonight. I've been asleep all day and in the bed. I've been a little depressed because I'm done with school, but I need an intern, 240 hours, and I didn't graduate last semester because of it, and I can't find one this semester. It's a long story. Like, I moved, and folks aren't really just fuck with me out here in Georgia when I say I'm go to the University of Memphis. Like, they choose CSU first. It's just a long story. So I've been depressed because I need an internship so I can get my damn bachelor's degree. That's all I need. I done took all my classes. I'm talking about made the dean's list 2 times in a row. Like, why they don't want, I don't know. Y'all pray for me. But we finna get ready and go out. And yesterday I made a month post-op. And you know them girls is sitting. They sitting. But yeah. I'm gonna take this off before I got. I don't want nobody to think I'm gangbanging. But I had laid my real baby hairs down. And there ain't no baby hair. So it's probably gonna curl back up once I start sweating. But hey. I just want to show y'all what your girl look like or whatever. Real cute, real cute. It's supposed to be a black and gold party, so yeah. Bye. See y'all later. Y'all should see this room has just stuff everywhere like this. Every time. Just look at this room. Look, just look how stuff everywhere. Look. I had cleaned it up the other day. I don't know. It's just, I didn't even make the bed up today. Depression. Depression is real. I gotta find me an intern. But yeah, I'm gonna take this makeup off and this wig off. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go fix me some ramen noodles probably. Bye. Hey y'all. So today is Sunday. We finna get ready to go to the grocery store. So I got me on a little cute little dress I got from Mad Rag for like $2. But anyway, so I'm finna go to the grocery store and get some stuff. We had a good time yesterday. Everybody got tipsy. We had a real good time. I might put a little clip in. I don't know, cause they always flagging me when I try to put clips in with other people's music and stuff in it that's not mixed. But anyway, when I come back, my plan is to show y'all the stuff that I ordered for my business and some stuff that I ordered for myself. Cause you know, I told y'all Friday was my month post-op. Yep, and the girls is looking real good. So I want to show y'all what they look like or whatever. But I'll see y'all when we get back. We finna go. Well, I'm gonna see y'all at the grocery store. I might vlog in there. You ready? So we're gonna go to the grocery store.
middle fingers up like front end. I used to be down on